We are a turnkey company. We do install our own steel, so we know how important it is for quality to make sure it fits right the first time. We've branded our steel as a DyMark steel, and people want our steel because of the quality. DyMark serves and is involved with industrial, commercial, agricultural industries. We also do custom fabrications, installations, steel detailing, which is key with the equipment that we have now. My first reaction when I first seen the PeddiAssembler was actually through a promotional video that Peddinghaus sent me, and I was a little skeptical about the performance of this machine and what it could actually do. That's why I personally flew down to FabTech in Chicago and viewed the machine for myself. Surprisingly, it did everything that they promised they would do and more, so I was quite impressed. DyMark's ways of operating the fabrication processes were, I would say, not advanced, but somewhat advanced to semi-automatic. We were always looking for ways to improve the ups and downs of our workloads, and to where we are now with the new automated equipment, PeddiAssembler, is really giving us the flexibility to ramp up and down without having to hire a whole bunch of people and take on bigger the without a concern. Artificial intelligence is what's happening. It's you can see that if the machine runs into an issue, it stops and makes the operator aware. It's like, this part is not going to fit. Are you sure you want me to try? And then only then will the operator be able to say yes or no. I think the best downstream benefits for the PeddiAssembler are that we don't have to ramp up and down with employees all the time, depending on the size of the jobs that we get. Back in the day, we would have to hire 20, 25 extra people. The PeddiAssembler, you give it a program and it shows up to work every day. You don't have to retrain it. You tell it to do something once, clean its welding tips and nozzles. It does it every time. You tell it to QC the parts, it QCs the parts. The build quality on the PeddiAssembler is immaculate. It's just, the machine does not make a mistake. One of the great things about the PeddiAssembler is that it scans the parts prior to even starting the assembly. Right there alone with the QC, we're already ahead identifying parts, quantity of parts, and also material profile. As soon as you download the program into the software, it'll tell you it's going to be 50 minutes, and it's 50 minutes. It's not 2-3 hours, it's 50 minutes. So you start to think about that, and then you're timing that about how many people it can actually keep fed down the line to weld out. We're looking at five guys a shift that this thing could kind of keep fed. Times 2 shifts, that's 10 people. So, rough numbers to kind of make that quick math, you're looking at $500,000 worth of wages in a year that you can save. The benefits for our customers is that they get the quality product every time. That, like, the material that we're pushing through our shop now is right on the money every time. The PeddiAssembler has made a big difference since we put it into operation here. Going back to the old ways, it's just, I kind of shake my head of how we used to do it. So it's very beneficial. It's allowed us to more comfortably bid bigger jobs and not have to worry about the amount of people or employees up in the shop right now. Our strategy to remain successful is, like I said, is embracing the technology, staying ahead of the curve. We don't like to follow other companies and wait for things to happen. We like to be the first ones and lead the industry. So I think that's probably why we're one of the first companies in Saskatchewan or even in Western Canada to get a PeddiAssembler. So we're the best damn fabrication shop out there.